Hello viewers, are you experiencing Instagram Reels? Something went wrong? Retry problem? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's see the step. For fixing this problem, first of all, check your internet connection and make sure that your internet connection is connected properly. And then go to Play Store or App Store. Tap on Search app and search for Instagram. From here, update your Instagram apps. If available, any update version. After completing update process, now find Instagram and then press and hold on Instagram. Now open Instagram app info, just tap on I button or app info. Now go to storage option, tap on storage. Now clear cache your Instagram storage and then press on back button, tap on force stop, tap on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen and then restart your phone. Press and hold on power button and then restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open Instagram and see problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.